Hey everyone, welcome back to Engaged with Bon Events. I'm Megan Bortle. Today is Friday, so that means it's my DIY day. But you know, it's just been like a real rough time. It has been a real rough time for like everyone on the whole freaking planet, and you know, I'm not really well stocked on craft stuff right now because I've been trying not to go out and I've been not like going to Michael's weekly like I normally do. And I'm just not really feeling like emotionally that great right now. And really what helps me when I don't feel emotionally that great is food that is awful for me. So I really just want to make some cinnamon rolls today. These probably won't be like your grandma's cinnamon rolls. I probably will do a technique that you probably hate because hey, I've only been doing this for 2 months, so let's be easy on me. But I really just want to make something nice and sweet and comforting, and I want to do it with you guys. So come on, let's go do it. Alright, so I'm cutting in a little bit of vlog style here right in the action of my kitchen just to let you guys know that this is not going to be like a tasty video where everything is super edited and everything looks nice and it's all in matching bowls and having nice space, because I'm not like that. I don't have any of that stuff. Again, I've only been baking about 2 months. I don't have any of the fancy stuff. So if you're looking for something that's hyper produced and probably informative, this isn't really it. But I hope that if you're able to relax, enjoy, and just make something nice and sweet with me, stick around. Alright, thanks guys.